Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix portable air conditioner not turning on, power cord, fuse and reset troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is check the power cord. Turn off the air conditioner, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Check the cord for cuts, burns or loose connection. Plug the cord securely back into a working wall outlet. Then press and power button to see if the unit turns on. Second one is reset the power cord. Many portable air conditioners have a built-in safety plug-in with test and reset buttons. Unplug the air conditioner, reset the button on the power plug, then plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Then press and power button on the air conditioner. Third one is check the circuit breaker or fuse. Go to your home electrical panel, then look for a trip breaker or blown fuse. Reset the breaker or replace the fuse if needed. Turn the air conditioner on again. Fourth one is try a different wall outlet. Unplug the air conditioner, then plug into a wall outlet that you knows work. Avoid using extension cord or power strips. Press the power button. Fifth one is perform a power hard reset. Turn the air conditioner off, then unplug it from the power outlet. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes, then plug the unit back in, then turn it on. Thanks for watching.